I uploaded my photo from the photo section to the ChatGPT and gave it this prompt, and it turned my photo into a doll. Now I ask it to put it in the doll box, and then I asked it again to put some editing tools inside the doll box like AirPods, phone, and etc. Now that my image is created, I go to the Killing AI and upload the desired image from the image to video section. I upload my photo from image upload section, and in the text section I give it my desired prompt. As you can see in the video, I gave it these prompts. Another tutorial is that you just need to go to the Killing AI website and from the effects section select the fuzzy effect I showed in the video. So we come to the third edit. We enter the ChatGPT again and import our desired photo and write convert the photo to Pixar style. And we enter the image generator pro of ChatGPT and I ask it to convert the photo into a 3D anime, and it just gave you another suggestion prompt that you can use.